Most people think discipline is about force. Forcing yourself to wake up early, forcing focus, forcing motivation. That's why discipline feels painful. But in Japan, discipline doesn't look like struggle. It looks quiet, automatic, almost effortless, and that's because they don't rely on willpower. They design systems. Today, I'm going to share 9 small Japanese rules that make discipline feel automatic. Not overnight, but permanently. Most people never hear about these rules. And once you understand them, you'll stop blaming yourself for being lazy. Let's start with the rule that changes everything. Rule 1. Lower the bar, not the standard in Japan. Consistency matters more than intensity. They don't ask, "Can I do this perfectly?" They ask, "Can I do this even on my worst day?" Discipline breaks when tasks feel too big, so they shrink the action but keep the identity. 1 page, 5 minutes. 1 repetition. This keeps the brain calm, and a calm brain repeats behavior. Rule 2. Environment beats motivation. Japanese discipline is mostly invisible. You don't see motivation, you see design. Shoes placed neatly, tools kept ready, workspaces uncluttered. The environment quietly tells the brain what to do. If your phone is on your desk, your brain will reach for it. If your book is open, your brain will continue. They don't fight distraction, they remove it. Rule 3. Do it at the same time. Not when you feel like it. Motivation is unreliable. Time is predictable. Japanese systems attach habits to time, not mood. Same hour, same place, same order. When the brain sees the same pattern, it stops asking questions. Discipline becomes routine. Routine becomes automatic. Rule 4. Start before you feel ready. Japanese culture values beginning more than finishing. They know something important. The hardest part of discipline is not the work, it's the start. So they reduce the starting friction. Open the notebook, sit at the desk, wear the uniform. Action creates readiness, not the other way around. Rule 5. Respect boredom. Most people escape boredom instantly. Phone, music, noise. Japanese discipline allows boredom, because boredom resets attention. When your brain isn't overstimulated, focus returns naturally. That's why their study and work environments feel quiet. Silence is not emptiness, it's preparation. Rule 6. Finish small things daily. Japanese discipline is built on completion. Not big wins, small finishes. Completing something tells the brain, I follow through. That identity compounds. If you don't finish anything, your brain learns inconsistency. If you finish small things daily, your brain trusts you again. Rule 7. Separate effort from reward in Japan. Pleasure comes after effort, not before. They don't start the day with stimulation, they earn it. This trains the brain's reward system. Effort gives reward, not reward gives effort over time. Discipline feels less painful because the brain knows pleasure is coming. Rule 8. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Japanese systems value smoothness. No rushing, no chaos. When actions are smooth, mistakes reduce. Energy is saved. Discipline isn't about speed, it's about repeatability. Where you can repeat calmly, you can sustain forever. Rule 9. Identity before results. This is the most important rule. Japanese discipline is identity-based. They don't say, I'll study today. They say, I'm a student who studies. They don't chase outcomes. They embody roles. When identity is clear, discipline feels natural. You don't force yourself to act in line with who you are. You just do. Now here's the truth most people miss. Discipline doesn't feel automatic because you're strong. It feels automatic because resistance is low. Japanese systems remove resistance, that's why their habits last. And motivation becomes optional. If you try to force discipline, you'll burn out. If you design it, you'll forget it was ever hard. Start small. Design your environment. Respect routine. Let identity lead. That's how discipline stops feeling like a fight and starts feeling normal.